Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change languages on Fortnite. First, launch the game and make your way to the main lobby screen. Once there, you will need to access the game's settings. Look for the icon with 3 horizontal lines, usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will open up a small menu with several options, leading you to where you can adjust your language preferences. After opening the initial menu, you will see a gear icon. This is your gateway to the full game settings. Click on this gear icon to proceed. Within the Comprehensive Settings menu, you will need to scroll down a bit. Look for a section specifically labeled Language and Region. This particular section is where all the magic happens, as it houses every single language option available for you to choose from within Fortnite. Once you are in the Language and Region section, you will see the currently selected language displayed. Click on this current language to reveal a comprehensive drop-down list. This list contains an extensive array of supported languages from around the world. Take your time to browse through all the options. When you find your desired language, simply click on it to make your selection. It's a straightforward process to pick exactly what you need. After you have successfully selected your new language from the drop-down list, it is crucial to confirm your choice. Look for an Apply or Save button, typically located at the bottom of the settings screen, and click it. The game will then prompt you with a message indicating that a restart is required for the changes to fully take effect. Simply relaunch Fortnite, and you will experience the entire game in your newly chosen language.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.